Welcome to Brandon's Kitchen. What's on the menu today? Well, it's gonna be a nice, hearty, healthy breakfast. Something like a breakfast pizza. What are some of the things you're gonna need for this recipe? Well, it's gonna be a medium to large pan with a lid, a mixing bowl, something to mix it with, a cutting board, and a cutting knife. The ingredients are gonna be eggs, cheese, turkey bacon, onions, and asparagus. So you're gonna add the diced turkey bacon to the skillet on about a medium to medium-high heat. Kind of let that cook through a little bit. That's when you add the diced asparagus and onions. Let them cook through a little bit on more of a medium-low heat. And after that, that's when you add the eggs and also the cheese. You cover it with a lid and let it cook through on about a low to medium-low heat. It is that simple. There we go. Breakfast pizza is done. It's kind of like a pizza, kind of like a scramble. I don't know what the hell to call it, but I'll just call it a pizza because it's round and it's delicious. Oh yeah. Fuck, that's hot. Whew. I should have waited. I let it cool down a little bit. Now time for the real taste test. That is delicious. You know it's good when you start cursing after every bite. Oh, fuck yeah. Goddamn. Shit. That's some good shit. Fuck yeah.